Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn a new grammar topic in English which is included in writing part, and its name is diary entry. So let's get started. Students, before we are going to start, at first we should know that what is diary. So let's get started. What is diary entry? Diary entry is an informal and personal form of writing. A diary entry can be based on a personal experience, daily happenings, or any important event of personal or public life. Most of the great men keep diaries in which they record their daily happenings and other important activities. In other words, diaries give a glimpse of the past incidents of a person's life. In fact, we come to know about the lives of great people through the information recorded in their diaries. Now, let's see that who has started this diary entry. Anne Frank is one such personality. She was born to Jewish parents in 1929 in Frankfurt. In 1933, her family fled from the terror of the National Socialists to Amsterdam. After the German troops invaded the Netherlands, Anne Frank and her family hid in the Ruhr annex to a house in Amsterdam. There, Anne Frank wrote her world famous diary. Anne Frank died in 1945 at the age of 15. Her diary was published after her death. So there were so many secrets were hidden in her diary. Now, let's learn the guidelines to diary writing. A diary is generally written at night. This way, the day's happenings can be recorded. The language and tone is generally informal and personal. Personal pronouns can be used. A diary entry can include your personal secrets, joys, sorrows, and fears. You should not allow anybody to read it. Your diary as it is a record of your personal feelings and emotions. So let's learn that how to write a diary exactly. Let's see a sample of diary entry. By learning this, you will have an exact idea that how to write your diary. So let me read. Imagine yourself to be Poonam. Write a diary entry describing the surprise visit paid by your parents on Diwali. Dear students, here you are supposed to imagine yourself that you are Poonam, and you have to feel that your parents came to you and gave you a beautiful gift and you never can forget that day. So let's get started. Students, this is the format of diary entry. So you can see in this picture that at first into the left corner day and date both have been written by Poonam, and secondly into the right corner the time has been written by Poonam. Then she has written dear diary. She has greeted her diary by writing these words dear diary, but it is optional for you. If you want to write this you can write, but it is up to you. Then next you have to write the body text. It contains a personal account of the happenings of the day. The language is informal. Like Poonam has written, let me read. Today was a very eventful day as my parents gave me a surprise. They gave me a Diwali gift. It is the best gift that I have received so far. Can you guess what is it? Well, it is an iPhone. Now I can play my favorite games. I can also talk to my best friend, Alka, without any hassle. It has a very good camera and I am sure it will provide an excellent social networking experience through WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. I don't have words to thank my parents. So, in this paragraph, she has covered all her feelings during the day. What has happened with her, she has described everything. And at last, she has greeted her diary, good night diary. It is optional for you. Then, at last, she has written her own name. and you have to write your name, or the writer has to write his or her name at the end. Now let's go into the another example. You are a resident of Kashmir's famous Lal Bagh area. Recently, your state suffered a lot due to heavy rainfall. As a result, your area was flooded. You had to abandon your experience in the relief camp. Many people were injured. Make a diary entry recording your experience in the relief camp. So let's get started. Thursday, 21st September 2000 time was 10 pm. Dear diary, today is my fifth day at the relief camp. Life here is very tough. We had to leave our home as water reached to the first floor. Thank God we are safe, but life is far from normal. The army jawans are doing their best to provide assistance, but it is not enough. There is shortage of food, clean drinking water, medicines, and warm clothes. While living within the comfort of my house, I had never realized that life could be such a pain. My sister has fever since the past 2 days. She has received no medical attention up till now. I pray to God that this phase gets over soon and we are able to return back home. I don't want to live in this hell anymore. Simi. Dear students, as you have seen into the second example that Simi has written her feelings about the flooded area and about all the happenings whichever she felt. So now it's time to do the homework. So let me read what you are supposed to do. Question number 1. Yesterday it was your first day in your new school. You made new friends. Teachers were good to you and you liked the infrastructure of the school. Write about your experiences and feelings about the new school in your diary. Question number 2. Recently you visited the old age home in Delhi. You met old people who were lonely and sick. Their children had left them to fend for themselves. When you talked to them, you felt bad about the fact that they were not living with their children. Write about your experiences in your diary. Dear students, of course we'll send you the solution of both the questions. So now I am going to finish my lecture here. Hope you all have understood better. Thank you.